The car shows errors labeled side lights faulty, fog light bulbs faulty, handbrake light bulb faulty, and reversing lamp bulb faulty. Since all the errors are on the rear right side, we will remove that entire tail light. In this case, it's a Peugeot 207, where the rear lights are very easy to remove. They are held in place by just one screw. We remove the connector, then remove the bulb holder, which is secured only with plastic clips. Here we can see that the second connector is black, which means there is a loss of contact there. By tracing that contact, we can see it is the ground connection linked to all the bulbs, which is why such a large number of errors appear. We will drill a hole in the metal that carries the ground, wrap the wire around a screw, fasten it, and additionally solder it. Then we will also wrap the other end of the wire around a screw, drill a hole in the car body, and finally secure the screw into the body, creating a direct ground for our light. Now we just need to put everything back in place in reverse order. Once everything is secured, we start the car and see that all the errors have disappeared. If you liked this video, give it a like and follow our channel. Goodbye.